Today, I'll walk you through how to display today's date in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to show today's date in your reports so you can enhance your data visualizations effectively. First, let's start by opening your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. If you're familiar with the layout, great. If not, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once you have your dashboard open, navigate to the top menu and select Home. From there, look for the option labeled Transform Data. This will open the Power Query Editor, which is a powerful tool for shaping your data. Now that you're in the Power Query Editor, head over to the Add Column tab. Here, you will find a button labeled Custom Column. Click on this to create a new column where we will display today's date. In the Custom Column dialog that appears, you'll need to enter a specific formula. This formula is essential for fetching the current date. Type in date time local now. This formula retrieves the current date based on your local time. After entering the formula, it's important to change the column data type to date. This ensures that Power BI recognizes the data correctly. You can do this by selecting the column header and choosing the appropriate data type from the drop-down menu. Once you've set the data type, click on Close and Apply to save your changes and return to the main Power BI interface. And there you have it. You've successfully displayed today's date in Power BI. This feature can be incredibly useful for creating dynamic reports that always reflect the current date, making your data more relevant and timely. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.